Job of the day. We're back at SNK. I need some steel for mounting some RV scissor lifts. Just those manual ones that go on smaller RVs. I'm gonna grab this thing of 3/16, and then I'm gonna go get some 1/4" plate. They didn't have any 1/4" plate on the rack. They got this stuff, but I don't want to cut it all up. Is there any other 1/4"? Nope. Alright. That's all we got, I think. So let's bring in, pay for this, and then go get some flat strap. Alright, we are back at the trailer. I did a bunch of cross members on. He's got some factory cross members that need to be lowered. Look, good flat, the one I put on there. Let's see what else. Make flat, 1/2 inch up. So I'm just gonna lay a piece of tubing across the whole thing, make sure it's flat and level, cut on the bottom, weld it back up. What is this? Close, that's the one I put on. That's 3/8 up. That one's a little make level from center. No problem. So I'm just gonna cut, bend them down, weld it out. And then he needs some brackets to bolt those on. So I brought some material for that. I'm going to change out his axle because it's a little too wide. So I ordered one, put brakes on it as well. And then wire his brakes up to the front so he can do all his electrical. What else do I got on this thing? I think that's it. It's just a bunch of little stuff. So let's get to it. Well, the axle I ordered didn't come pre-wired, but I'm gonna drill some holes in the sidewall here and then run some wire through the tubing. After many cuss words later, I got the wire into the axle tubing. So put together I probably should just buy a wire tape or wire puller. But these are just the inner lining of the MIG guns. But yeah, that was frustrating. I might have cussed a little bit. All right, got everything mocked up. I'm gonna tack these on, measure spring center, and then weld it out. All right, getting the backing plates on. Good, perfect. I got the axle in and installed. I need to grab some more stuff. I'm gonna run, grab some more stuff, swing back, cut these outriggers and make them flat. Most of them are the factory ones that are up. This one I put on, it's flat. There's a 3/8 up, 1/4" up. So I'm just gonna make them all flat. I clamp this, I'm just gonna cut right here, bring it down, re-weld it. Got one, yeah. I think it's just hitting this weird. As long as that tube is flat, it's, yeah, it's gonna be fine. Here's how it was. I didn't really get video of leveling all these out, but every outrigger is level. Cut and welded a bunch of stuff, made sure everything was level so we can put his floorboards on. I got new axle on there, new backing plates, everything's wired up. I ran a wire there. He'll have to call me back. We'll do a terminal box and some breakaway kits for him. Everything's shrunk wrap, everything's tight. I'm putting on tires right now. We were gonna put on some scissor lifts, but they're gonna be too low to the ground. So he's gonna get everything built out and then we'll kind of figure out a stabilizer system for him. I'm putting tires on right now. Tires and wheels are on. I'm gonna zip tie up the wiring so he has some excess. But we got it all loom locked, everything's in. This one's done. I'm on to the next.